Hey, this is Chap Renoro. I'm going to show you how you can get access to the ultimate Google business profile optimization checklist. Okay. Like I start out with all these right here. Basically, I don't go right here to give you a tidbit of what it's all about. This step-by-step guide is packed with proven strategies to help you claim and verify your profile, optimize business information, enhance local SEO, engage with customers, and leverage Google features like reviews, Q&As, and posts. Okay. So in this day and age, you need to basically put your stuff out there in as many places as possible to get your dream customers. Okay. So basically kind of give you a backstory about this checklist and 20 others. Okay. Basically a few months ago, people came to us through support tickets, through, YouTube videos in the comments and our websites and all that, and asked us, questions. I think it was over 100. And we compiled basically a list of 20 checklists that are basically in the marketing niche. They'll help you a lot. We call them basically the best digital marketing checklists. They're all PDF files. These guides are 100% free, and they are checklists to basically take you from A to Z to help you to, understand things better so you can stay focused, because in this day and age, it's hard to stay focused for a lot of people. So that's why I created all these 20 checklists, which took a long time, but was well worth it because, like I said, I want to give back and help everybody else, get to a level where they can actually quit their 9 to 5 and, start having more time with their families, friends, and whatever it is. If you want to, what you can do is all you have to do basically is just click right here, add to cart. It's 100% free. Okay. Click on there and you can check out right there. If you want to learn more information, you can scroll down here, the ultimate Google business profile checklist, your breakthrough strategy for local SEO success. Okay. So yes, it is, local SEO with the business profile, but what it does is it allows people to still come to your website to build your email list and increase your traffic to your website. Okay. So if you want to learn more about this checklist, you can scroll down here and see more. Okay. A lot of information for you, kind of showing you different things. But the checklist is going to keep you on track to knowing what you need to do. Okay. I ask people, in every video, it's like that. You don't have to do this. But we would appreciate it if you would share this to other people on Facebook, Twitter, which is X, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Reddit. Because like I said, if we had over 100 and some people have these questions, we know that there's going to be other people out there. And that's how we can ask you to kind of help us. We're giving this to you for free. So it'd be really nice if you would, it'd mean so much to us if you would share this with your friends and family, or even people that are thinking about starting a business that aren't sure yet, to share these right here. And make sure you share the video that I'm making on YouTube and other places too, just to get the seen by more people. Because like I said, when we work together, we can help out a lot more people. Okay. So basically, like I said, all you got to do is just click right here, add to cart. You get this for free. It's called the Ultimate Google Business Profile Optimization Checklist. And then there'll be a link below this video for that. And then also there'll be another link to the video that will lead you here. This is the other 20. So for some reason, if the other one isn't for you, the Ultimate Google Business Profile, okay, then maybe one of these other ones will be for you. But I know that one of these 20 will help you, okay? And like I said, if you have any kind of questions ever, you can scroll down in the comments area below this video and post your comments. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. But also on our website, you can come down here and click contact us, and then we'll go to our support desk. But we are here to help you have success. And like I said, that's why we, created these guides, these checklists, like I said, that we call best digital marketing checklists that are all PDF files. Super, super simple. Another thing that you can do with these that I've been saying in the videos is you can take these, you can download these, you can do whatever you want with them. But what I would tell you to do is download the image, get the file for this, the PDF file, and build a opt-in page and build your email list with all these 20, checklist guides, the free ones. And these are all free. All 20 are free. So don't worry about it. But let me just tell you one more thing too. Okay. You want to have a list. Okay. If you don't have a list, you're not going to be able to make the money that you want, and you're not going to be able to build your business the way you want. So, just like I said, scroll down here, and pick which ones you want. Now, yes, you can, add all these to your cart, all 20. But I really don't want you to have information overload. So what you can do is you can click right here, and, you can make it as a favorite, make it a favorite on your phone too. And then once you complete each one, come back and get the next one that you think will help you with your business the most. Okay. So again, this is Chad Portnola. If you have any kind of questions, please post them below this video, or any ideas or questions that you might have about other topics, post them below too, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. But get today the ultimate Google business profile optimization checklist. Okay. Thanks again. See you in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.